Rebuild with resilience. Embracing lessons learned from loss of top talents for forging a bright future to generate double-digit growth. When faced with the departure of key top talent business managing leaders due to corporate management decisions, established instruments companies have the opportunity to reignite their growth momentum with a fresh perspective and renewed vigor. Hire specialists. As a company grows, it becomes essential to bring in specialists who can handle specific areas of expertise. Specialists possess deep knowledge and experience in their respective fields, allowing the company to tackle complex challenges effectively. Whether it's hiring a seasoned sales leader to manage global sales operations or bringing in a business unit leader to drive customer acquisition, specialists can provide valuable insights and strategies to support growth. By having the right talent in place, the company can continue to innovate and excel in its core competencies while expanding into new areas. Install management structures. As a business grows, implementing effective management structures becomes crucial to maintain organizational efficiency and ensure alignment across different teams and departments. This involves defining clear roles and responsibilities, establishing reporting lines, and implementing performance management systems. Effective management structures promote accountability, streamline decision-making processes, and foster effective collaboration. By providing a strong foundation for growth, these structures help maintain the company's spark while enabling it to scale and adapt to changing market dynamics. Maintain a strong company culture. A strong and positive company culture is the foundation of any successful organization. As a company grows, it's crucial to preserve and nurture the core values, mission, and vision that define the organization. This includes fostering open communication, promoting employee engagement, and ensuring that everyone is aligned with the company's purpose. A strong company culture will help keep the spark alive and inspire employees to contribute the best, even during periods of rapid growth. Scalable systems and processes. As a business expands, it's essential to establish scalable systems and processes that can accommodate increased demand and complexity. This includes streamlining workflows, implementing efficient technology solutions, and automating repetitive tasks. By having scalable systems and processes in place, the company can handle growth more effectively, minimize errors, and ensure consistent performance, while maintaining the entrepreneurial spirit that drives innovation. Customer-centric focus. Maintaining a customer-centric focus is critical during periods of growth. It's essential to listen to customers' needs, gather feedback, and continuously improve products or services based on their requirements. This customer-centric approach helps retain existing customers, attract new ones, and build long-term relationships. By staying close to customers and delivering exceptional experiences, the company can sustain its spark and reputation as it expands. Empower and develop employees. During growth, it's crucial to invest in employee development and empowerment. As the company expands, provides opportunities for professional growth, offers training programs, and encourages internal promotions. By empowering employees to take ownership and contribute to the company's success, you not only retain top talent but also foster a culture of innovation and collaboration. Engaged and motivated employees will help maintain the company's spark throughout the growth journey. Agile decision-making. In a rapidly growing environment, decision-making needs to be agile and adaptable. It's important to establish a decision-making framework that enables quick and informed choices while mitigating risks. This involves fostering a culture of experimentation, encouraging data-driven decision-making, and empowering employees to make decisions within their areas of expertise. Agile decision-making allows the company to seize opportunities, respond to market changes, and maintain the entrepreneurial spirit that keeps the spark alive. By focusing on these crucial factors, company culture, scalable systems, customer centricity, employee empowerment, and agile decision-making, you can manage your company's growth effectively without losing its spark. Remember that growth should be balanced with preserving the core elements that make the company unique and successful. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.